The home and kitchen can get messy fast, but not anymore. In this video, I'm sharing the top 23 best home and kitchen organizers that will transform your space, save your time, and keep everything in perfect order. From clever storage hacks to must-have gadgets, you'll wonder how you lived without them. Subscribe now, hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip. And don't forget to check out the links below to grab your favorites. The Amazon Basics Kitchen Sink Organizer is a practical must-have for keeping your kitchen sink neat and clutter-free. Its spacious design gives you room to store everything from sponges and scrubbers to brushes, dishcloths, and even drain stoppers. There's a built-in platform that's perfect for holding dishwashing detergent within easy reach. Made from durable, shatter-resistant plastic, it's built to last through daily use while maintaining a clean, minimal look that suits any kitchen style. This organizer doesn't just belong in the kitchen, it's also a great fit for bathrooms, laundry rooms, or anywhere you need to keep small items in order. Its compact, countertop-friendly size makes it easy to move and place where needed. The Cloudy Bay Smart Wi-Fi LED recessed lights bring customizable, hands-free lighting right into your home. These sleek 4-inch lights connect with Alexa and Google Assistant, letting you control brightness, color temperature, and even mood lighting using just your voice or the dedicated app. Whether you're winding down, working, or hosting a party, these lights adjust to suit the vibe. You can sync them to music, schedule them to turn on or off, or group them by room for full home control. Built for wet locations, they're both stylish and practical, perfect for any space. The Kong-Nai Kitchen Funnel Set offers a practical solution for your kitchen needs with its food-grade, flexible, and heat-resistant silicone design. These funnels come in various sizes and vibrant colors, making it easy to match them with your kitchen decor. Their collapsible feature allows for efficient storage, saving space while still being ready for use. These funnels are simple to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher, ensuring convenience for everyone in the family. If you're looking for durable, easy-to-store kitchen tools, this set is a great choice. The Govee Glide Wall Lights offer a vibrant and customizable lighting solution for your home. With RGBIC technology, these lights can display multiple colors simultaneously, creating dynamic effects to suit any mood. Whether you're setting the scene for a gaming session or relaxing at home, the adjustable brightness and color options provide endless possibilities. Control the lights through the Govee Home app or with voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Easy to install with included adhesive strips, these smart lights will elevate your room with immersive lighting and sync with music for an enhanced experience. The George Foreman 2-serving classic plate electric indoor grill is perfect for those with limited space, but still want to enjoy grilled meals. Compact in size, it fits well in small kitchens or apartments, offering a convenient grilling surface. The non-stick coating makes cooking and cleanup a breeze, while the signature sloped design helps remove excess fat, resulting in healthier meals. It's easy to use and maintain with a removable drip tray that collects grease for effortless cleanup. Ideal for couples or small households, this grill delivers tasty, lean meals without the hassle. The Samsung 32-inch class QLED 4K TV offers an exceptional viewing experience with its Quantum HDR and Quantum Dot technology, delivering vibrant and true-to-life colors. Featuring the Quantum Processor Lite, it upscales content to 4K, enhancing both visuals and sound. The Motion Accelerator technology ensures smooth, blur-free viewing, making it ideal for fast-moving scenes. With Object Tracking Sound Lite, the audio syncs with the on-screen action for immersive 3D sound. Its slim design allows it to blend seamlessly into any room, providing both style and functionality. Perfect for those seeking a compact yet powerful smart TV. The Meal Helper 12-in-1. Vegetable Chopper is an all-in-one kitchen tool designed to make food preparation quicker and easier. With 7 stainless steel blades, it allows you to slice, chunk, and shred fruits and vegetables with ease. The set includes additional accessories such as an egg white separator, hand protector, and cleaning tools to enhance safety and convenience. Its large capacity food storage box helps keep everything organized while you work, and the non-slip base ensures stability. Compact and efficient, this chopper saves space and time, making it a must-have for any kitchen. The Gym Monster 2x is a smart, all-in-one home gym designed for full-body strength training. It combines a power cage, Smith machine, squat rack, cable machine, and pulley system, making it a comprehensive workout station for both beginners and advanced users. Powered by AI, the machine provides personalized training guidance by adjusting weights in real time for optimal progress. With a compact design, it offers up to 220 pounds of digital resistance, perfect for progressive training. Its sleek, space-saving design and versatile functionality ensure a powerful workout experience without taking up too much room. The Northern Galaxy Light Aurora Projector is an upgraded 3-in-1 device that transforms any room into a mini planetarium. Featuring 4 colors, red, green, blue, and white, it offers 33 light effects and 16 northern light patterns, adjustable for brightness and speed. This star projector also includes soothing white noises like ocean waves and rain, perfect for relaxation and sleep. With a built-in Bluetooth speaker, it can play your favorite music or white noises and even sync the lights to the rhythm of the music, making it ideal for parties. Its elephant-shaped design adds a charming touch, making it suitable for all ages and a great home decor piece. The Atexity Food Kitchen Scale is a compact and sleek digital scale designed for precise measurements in cooking, baking, and meal prep. It weighs up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms in 1-gram increments and supports multiple units, including ounces, pounds, grams, and milliliters. With a tare function and an easy-to-read backlit LCD display, this scale ensures accurate results every time. Made with food-grade 304 stainless steel, it's easy to clean and store, making it a practical tool for everyday kitchen use. Perfect for those focused on weight loss, keto diets, or cooking precision. The Amazon Basics stainless steel scissors offer high-performance, multi-purpose cutting with PVD-coated blades, ensuring sharpness and durability for over 100,000 cuts. These scissors are ideal for paper, cardboard, fabric, and more. Designed for both right and left-handed users, they feature soft, comfort grip handles for an easy and secure hold. This 3-pack includes scissors in gray, green, and purple, making them a versatile addition to any home or office. The Revolving Spice Rack set is a compact and space-saving organizer designed to hold a variety of spice jars in a sleek 360-degree rotating tower. It fits neatly on countertops, shelves, or in cabinets. The set includes pre-printed labels, number labels, blank labels, and a funnel for easy jar filling. Made from durable stainless steel, this spice rack is stable and built to last. It also comes with a lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. The Elite Gourmet Ceramic Electric Skillet is a practical addition to any kitchen. Its smooth, non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning effortless, while the even heat distribution ensures food is cooked thoroughly and consistently. The skillet's durable design resists wear and tear, and the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor and moisture. With its spacious cooking area and user-friendly features, it's perfect for preparing family meals, or quick everyday dishes with ease. This personal smoothie blender from Topsy is a compact and powerful kitchen companion, perfect for making refreshing drinks and healthy meals on the go. With its strong motor and sharp stainless steel blades, it blends fruits, vegetables, and ice with ease. The lightweight design and travel-friendly cups make it convenient for daily use, whether at home or during outdoor activities. Cleanup is simple too, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts that save time and effort. This French press from Utopia Kitchen is a simple and stylish way to enjoy fresh coffee or tea at home or on the go. Designed with thick borosilicate glass and a smooth filtration system, it delivers a rich, clean brew every time. The compact design makes it easy to carry, whether you're camping, traveling, or relaxing at home. It's also versatile enough to prepare various drinks, from hot coffee to cold brews, making it a thoughtful gift for any coffee lover. The Cuckoo Rice Cooker is a compact kitchen companion designed for easy use and consistent results. With a simple one-touch operation, it cooks rice perfectly and automatically switches to keep warm mode. Its non-stick inner pot makes cleanup effortless, while the detachable lid and included accessories add convenience. Ideal for small families or casual gatherings, this rice cooker blends functionality with durability for everyday cooking. The Forzax floating shoe display shelf transforms your sneaker collection into a glowing centerpiece. This set of 5 light-up shelves is designed to elevate and highlight your favorite shoes with sleek, modern flair. Each shelf features color-changing LED lighting with multiple static and dynamic modes, creating a mesmerizing display day or night. Made from high-quality, clear acrylic with a slight upward tilt, the shelves keep shoes secure and stylishly visible. They're easy to install, USB-powered, and perfect for bedrooms, playrooms, or creative spaces. Whether you're showing off rare kicks or adding personality to your room, this display brings your shoes to life. The Banty electric standing desk blends comfort, style, and function for your workspace. With a spacious light wood top and double drawers, it offers plenty of room to stay organized while keeping essentials within reach. The adjustable height feature lets you switch between sitting and standing, promoting better posture and reducing fatigue during long workdays. Its sturdy steel frame supports multiple monitors, and the built-in anti-collision system ensures safe height transitions. Complete with a storage shelf and adjustable feet for stability, this desk is a sleek and practical upgrade for any office, dorm, or creative room. The Boperzi toothbrush and toothpaste holder brings a clean, modern touch to your bathroom while keeping everything neatly in place. Its compact design fits well on any countertop, and the bamboo divider offers natural, eco-friendly separation for organized storage. Built with durable, food-grade plastic, it features side vents for airflow and a drainage system at the bottom to keep items dry. Non-slip strips add extra stability, making it a great fit for families, kids, or anyone who wants a tidy space. Ideal for holding toothbrushes, razors, combs, or even makeup brushes. The Illumission outdoor wall light adds a sleek, modern touch to any home exterior while offering reliable motion sensor lighting. Crafted from durable aluminum with a matte black finish, it's built to handle the elements. Whether placed by the front door, patio, garage, or fence, this LED fixture provides bright, energy-efficient lighting that enhances both safety and style. Its wall-mounted design makes installation quick and hassle-free, perfect for upgrading your outdoor space. Bring a serene coastal vibe into your home with Weko Art's The Cloud Tree 3-panel wall art set. Printed on high-quality polyester canvas, this abstract seascape blends soft colors and calming imagery to create a tranquil focal point. Each piece comes stretched and ready to hang, complete with a pre-installed hook for easy setup. Ideal for enhancing living rooms, bedrooms, or office spaces, this set offers a peaceful, modern touch to any wall. The Bi-Burry Egg Slicer is a must-have kitchen tool for anyone who loves quick and neat food preparation. Made from durable chrome-plated zinc, this slicer features stainless steel cutting wires, allowing you to effortlessly slice, wedge, or dice hard-boiled eggs. Its versatile design extends beyond eggs, making it perfect for slicing strawberries, kiwis, mushrooms, cheese, and more. Compact and easy to clean, this egg cutter is dishwasher safe, saving you time after meals. Whether you're preparing salads or garnishes, this slicer brings both style and convenience to your kitchen. The Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator Machine is a top choice for those who love to make homemade jerky, dried fruits, or dog treats. With 7 large stainless steel trays, it offers ample space for drying a variety of foods like meats, herbs, and vegetables. Equipped with a rear-mounted fan and air circulation technology, this dehydrator ensures even heat distribution, eliminating the need for shelf rotation. It also features a digital thermostat, adjustable timer, and automatic shut-off function for precise control over your dehydrating process. The Keep Warm function ensures your food stays warm until you're ready to enjoy it.